Tutorial describes the basics of obtaining ray traced images in HyperCam. So we'll get our standard ethane molecule, rotate this around a little bit, zoom in a little bit, and supposing we want a ray traced image of this. These images take much longer than the standard images, but generally are somewhat preferable for presentations because they are a little more exotic. They take a long time because you basically bounce a lot of light sources off this and see where the shadows are and everything, where the highlights are. In the standard ray traced image, the light source is directly in front of the screen along the z-axis and along the z-axis, and this is the standard kind of image that you'll get. However, it is possible to customize this by having your own light sources. Now, when you rotate an image or anything, these are not persistent. The image just disappears. And the way to add light sources is to just add other atoms, like this carbon atom here, and to give it a specific name. So if we name this LIGHT something or other, 234 GGG, or HHH rather, something that starts with light, it'll be a light source. And so if we ray trace again, again waiting for the ray traced image, this is a white light source up here in the upper left hand corner, and it's aimed at the molecule from up here, and so we see light on the left hand side here, upper left hand side. So that's a white light source. We can put another one down here somewhere. Let's put another white one over in this corner and name that light 2. And let's put another one down here, and let's name this somewhat differently. We'll name this LIGHT hyphen red, and this will be a red light. LIGHT hyphen red something or other will be a red light source. Hyphen blue and hyphen green will be blue and green light sources, and we can have colored lights, red, green, or blue, in addition to white light. And so this will be a red light source down there, and if we now ray trace again, taking a couple seconds here. So we have two white light sources, one over here and one over here, and a red light down here. Now we can place these light sources anywhere we like. We can translate them and move them far away along the z-axis or anywhere we want them to be. Make them any color, red, green, blue, or white, and get a variety of nice images this way. If we want to save this image, what we do is set up the save image and then hit F9, the function key F9. In this case, it's set up to save a bitmap into the clipboard. And so what we do is just bring up Microsoft Word or some other manuscript and do a paste, and we get the image into a manuscript or into a document or something. We can play with this. We could have different colored backgrounds and so on, but this is how you obtain ray traced images.